welcome back to another Minute with Mitch. I'm here to talk about the hottest real estate market, Columbus, Ohio, and the fact that we're the 12th largest city in the United States. We're in a very hot market. I've been investing here for over 20 years. I get it. I understand why we're doing so well and why our company is thriving so much. But I want to talk today about where to buy in Columbus. Pretty much Columbus is all open to the investors except for the war zones, the areas that there's a lot of drug activity and violence. We want to stay away from those areas for a couple of reasons. For an investor, it's harder to find qualified tenants. They're more transient, and you have a lot more turnovers, which if you're an investor, you know that'll kill you. But also, it's a safety factor for us. My leasing agents and our subcontractors, I got to make sure that they feel safe where they're at. And if I can't get people down there, we can't deliver the service that we think you deserve. So stay away from the war zones. I have some notes here too. So the next one would be what to buy. I'm a fan of single family homes. Others have multifamily. We manage both, so no problem there. I love the 3-bedroom, 1-bath, basement garage. That's my MO. And the reason why I feel that they're easier to market and rent to. 2 bedrooms, you're kind of restricting. 3 bedrooms are really hard to find in that price zone. But I also like to buy property that's post-World War II. Pre-World War II, we have issues such as cast iron plumbing, we have slate roofs, we have knob and tube electric. Those issues bring up major capital expenditures when they start going bad. So I avoid them. I would recommend it, but sometimes those are hot areas too. So just something to consider. The last thing would be when to buy. I'm a fan of my better deals have come in November, December when people want to get things off their plate and start a new year fresh. We always seem to find better deals later in the year. But if you're always looking, you'll find something, but that's a better time. So any questions? We'd love to talk to you about your investment goals and your properties that you're looking at. That's what we're here to tell you, what to buy and more importantly, probably what not to buy. So that's it, and thank you for watching.